Use a hot tub for quick and easy relief from back pain. Back pain is more common than you might think. Here's some great news. A hot tub may be the quick and easy solution to relieve even the worst pain. With heat and massaging water, soaking in the spa is a proven way to feel better fast. Here's how to use a hot tub for quick and easy relief from back pain. Target the entire back at once with heat. Applying heat is always a good strategy, whether back pain is occasional or chronic. But reaching the entire back at once isn't always easy. Just step into the spa and submerge your entire body in elevated heat, which stays hot, delivering intense relief for as long as needed. An aquatic healing therapy. Heat feels great on an aching back, but it's also a smart way to heal damaged back muscles. A hot tub at home makes it easier. Hot water therapy in the spa can decrease pain intensity while increasing flexibility for a greater range of motion. Personalized, targeted hydromassage. Relieve intense, persistent back pain instantly with hydromassage. With jet clusters scattered throughout the tub, jets can be adjusted to target precisely where you need the most pressure, loosening tight, damaged tissue. Soak in the morning to relieve stiffness, or take a leisurely soak before bed to ease your way into a deep, pain-free sleep. So go ahead, take a soak. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning a hot tub or to get a free buyer's guide or price quote, just give us a call or go to www.oregonhottub.com.